So see here, the grades available are 4.6, 8.8 and 10. So for grade 4.6, FUB is your 400 Newton per mm square, and for grade 8.8, FUB is 800 Newton per mm square. And again for the grade 4.6 and 8.9 and 10.8 are the high strength bone. Whereas for the grade 4.6, FUB is again 400 MPa and yield strength is 0.6 into 400, that is 240 MPa. मोस्टली आपको प्रॉब्लम्स में जो ग्रेड आएगा डेट विल बी 4.6 ओनली. जो ये हाई स्ट्रेंथ बोल्ट है वो ग्रेड्स बहुत रेयर टू रेयर केस में आते हैं. मोस्टली while solving the problems you will be having the grade that is 4.6 only. So just note down the values for FUB and FY for grade 4.6. And if anything you didn't understood, you can ask. You have to note down from here for grade. Here for grades available for the concrete are 4.6, 8.8 and the 10.9. Don't need to note down this one. You can note down from here. For grade 4.6, FUB is 400 Newton per mm square. And for grade 8.8, FUB is 800 Newton per mm square. And FUB will be equals to 400 MPa. And for that, FY. What is FY? FY is nothing but the yield strength. So, yield strength के लिए you have to multiply it by 0.6. So, yield strength के लिए 4.6 grade के लिए आपकी value रहेगी 240 MPa. So, note down from here. Yes, completed up till this 240 MPa. FY के लिए वैल्यू हो गई सबकी. FY के लिए वैल्यू हो गई 240 मेगापास्कल. Okay. So then NN, the notation for NN, NN is nothing but the number of threads passing through the shear plane. Whatever the number of threads that will be passing from the shear plane, that will be the value for NN. Mostly NN will be 1 or 2. And NS is number of shank region passing through the shear plane. NS will be always 0. A and B is your area of the shank region. And gamma MB is your partial safety factor for the bolt. For that, yeah, for the value of gamma MB, you need to refer your IS code again, page number 30, table number 5. Then value of ASB pi by 4 d square. जितना भी डायमीटर का बोल्ट अवेलेबल रहेगा, that value you have to put over here. D will be your nominal diameter of the bolt, and A and B के लिए formula रहेगा 0.78 into ASB. NN will be 1 or 2 and NS will be 0. So note down this one. This all is the basic for the bolted and the welded connection. When you will complete, let me know so that we can proceed further. Yes, completed. For NN, you have to write 1 or 2, depending upon the number of threads passing through the shear plane. Whatever the number of threads that will pass through the shear plane, we will take that value. Yes, Abdullah completed. Neha. Okay, so the next thing we will see in the next lecture, because we are having a lot more things that is being remaining. So we will continue in the next lecture. So those who are not given the attendance, give your attendance in the chat box and just go through the IS code. Go through page number 75 of your IS 800 2007. And we will continue the remaining steps as well as we will solve the problems on Monday. And if you are having any doubts, you can ask. And those who had given the attendance, they can leave the meeting.
Ma'am, what is NN and NS?
And then in NS, there is one diagram. I will show you it on Monday. And then is from that diagram, you will exactly recognize how to determine the number of threads. It is the number of thread region and number of shank region that will be in the shear plane. It is the region of your bolted connection. तो shank region किसको बोलते हैं और threads किसको बोलते हैं, that I will show you on Monday. Okay, any other doubt?